Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning Halloween photo using AI with the Raven Queen effect. This hyper-realistic Gothic style portrait that's perfect for your Halloween feed or just to wow your friends. Okay, let's dive in. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just go to Tools. Just go to Create Image to activate the nano banana, or you can also go to tools icon and then create images like this. This amazing new feature lets you edit images instantly using just a text prompt. Next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. Make sure it's clear and high resolution photo because the AI will use your facial features to create the final result. And then next, let's it's time for the magic. Let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared a prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt and then use it to your own. You can screenshot it and then just copy it to your prompt box like this. Just feel free to tweak the prompt if needed. Just tweak it as you like to match your vibe. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then just paste it, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, the AI will process your image. It will adding all those cinematic codec details from your prompt. You can see the mysterious raven queen look, the feathered headdress, and even the metallic talon rings come to life. And then if you want, just tweak the prompt slightly to adjust the lighting or maybe shadow or maybe facial expressions until it's perfect as you like. And okay, maybe that's it. Your very own Raven Queen Halloween photo ready to pose and impress. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.